without further ado, let's get started. Alright, what we got here is a box. Alright, what's in the box? ProClip USA. Alright, so I got contacted by ProClip USA. They said, hey Dave, we see your content online with the JL. Would you like to do a review for us on our mount? And I said, alright, hold up a second, let me check it out. So I went on their website, I checked them out, checked out their reviews, just to make sure it's a good product, because I don't want to be bringing you guys junk, and I don't really think that that's the case for this product. So let's pull more stuff out of the box. So this is the main stuff. You get the mount, and then you get the clippy. And what else did they send me? Oh, they sent me, I'm acting like I'm surprised, but I've already opened it. Anyway, so they sent me a thank you card, some stickers, bang, bang, bang. That one's, I guess that's their logo. All right, there we go. Oh, another sticker. Look at that, sticker happy. All right, and it says, hello, thanks for becoming an influencer. Just a friendly reminder to read the instructions before installing both parts. Looking forward to your content. Thanks, Cody D, ProClip USA. Pretty cool, right? All right, what else is in here? Oh, we got some instructions. No, wait, that's not instructions. Stop. Okay, we don't need that, but they did send me a t-shirt. Check it out. Dang. Kind of cool. Kind of cool. It's an extra large. You think it'll fit me? I'm kind of fat, so let's see. Let's see if it fits. Bang. Yeah, well, kind of fits. Probably shouldn't wash it or else it'll probably get real tight. Anyways, okay, so let's open this up. See what we got going on here. We got the Shangma Bang here. Alright, let's see. ProClip user guide. Alright, so we got some instructions here. It shows a screwdriver. I guess we're going to get a screwdriver. And then we got the part. Now, this, looking at it, just a general overview, it does look like it's good plastic. It's pretty strong. I think it'll hold up. Now, this stuff is made, actually, I think it's made in Sweden. Somewhere like that. Let's see. Made in Sweden. Look at that. Second bag. Screws. Screws too. Second bag we got some other stuff. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Alright, look at that. Now I think that this mounts on the dash, and we'll see how good it does. Instructions, read. I'm a pro. I shouldn't even read them. I think I'd have been fine. Wait a minute. Where's my hat? There it is. Alright. Let's get into it here. Found a screwdriver. Magically appeared after I turned the camera off. Alright guys, we're up in the JL now. We've got the mount here. And let's talk about mounting. Let's talk about how it clips on the dash. And then we'll figure out where we need to position it. So, got the mount here. It's got a hook on the back. Hooks around the back of the dash. On the front of it, it has got a piece of double-sided tape, so we're going to have to take this off, and then it sticks to the front area of the dash here. Now, one of the things we need to do is clean the area so that it didn't come in there. Maybe they should include it, maybe they shouldn't, I don't know. But anyways, it's an alcohol prep pad, so wherever I decide to mount it, I'm going to clean up the area. I don't have any, I don't use Armor All or any of that stuff, but there's some oils and stuff in the dash, and I do want this thing to stick because when I'm out crawling, I don't need it moving around, and I don't need my phone falling out. So that is that. Alright, so let's figure out where we want to mount it. A little bit about my phone. It is an iPhone SE right here. I know it looks like a 4. I like it small, I don't know. But anyways, pretty good phone. Anyway, so it's not an iPhone review, so let's quit talking about it. But anyways, this is about how big it is right here. And so I got to kind of figure out where I want to mount it. So I think right there is good. I don't want to block this, and I typically have my tablet here with my navigation on it, so I don't want to block any of that. So let's go for a location right here. We'll clean the area. Let's see what happens. Alright, so we'll just clean it up here. Flango, flango. Get rid of that. Alright. Should dry pretty quick. Area's dry. Got our tape here. Let's pull the back. Well, actually, let's do a tape. Well, no, let's pull the backing off first. The pain in the butt. Anyways, okay. So there we go. So we take it, hook it over the back of the dash. You should feel it hook in pretty good. And then all we got to do is find the right location, which I think is going to be directly over this vent. And then I'm going to just pull it over the dash like a so, right there. So, what am I giving up? I'm giving up this little tiny cubby right here, which is not really a big deal. I still got this up here, and to be honest with you, when I'm got the doors off, or there's, you know, I got my wife and the family with me, once you put a couple drinks in here, there's really not a lot of room, and so like you can either put your iPhone in the center, or you know, it's just kind of, you know, kind of gets lost in the Jeep. So I do use this area up here for it, but it's going to be a lot nicer having it right here. So let's figure out. So I think I'm going to put the mount on the driver's side over here. So let's do that, and then we'll see. I don't know how it's going to come out, so let's see. That's it. All right, so we'll get these. Feels pretty snug. All right, let's go get the rest. All right, let's see here. To fit the holder to your device, loosen the screws above and below the center hole to release the slide arms. Do not fully remove these screws, which I did. I fully removed them, but I put them back in. All right, let's see. Then slide the arm apart to widen the holder. Place the device in the holder and press the arms together so the device is held in place. Next, carefully remove the device without changing the position of the side arms. Tighten the screws above and below the center hole to lock the arms into the correct position suitable for your device. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so I don't know. Is it gonna hold? Is it gonna hold my junk? I don't know. Go. Get a little tighter. Let's try that. Let's see how that works. Okay, well, let's see. Let's see. Oh, what's that? Look at that. That might just work. That's really kind of cool. I mean, you could just look at almost like one finger action right there. Huh. That's kind of cool. Swipe over, go to where you need to go. It's actually kind of cool. I didn't think I'd dig it that much, honestly, but that is kind of cool. Do that. Go to the gram. How many likes do I got? 36, baby. Oh, let's refresh. Let's refresh. We might be missing one. No, just 36. Yeah. I don't know. I guess overall, it's kind of cool. I kind of dig that. I like that I can get it so close. Like I can just be kind of. I mean, not like I'm gonna use it and drive, but if you're at a stoplight, you want to change some music or something, you want to go to your Napster. Yeah. So, anyways, I dig it. I think it's kind of cool. So let's see. You know, I was really kind of thinking that it wouldn't hold that well. Here, let's see how it goes in and out. See, it really kind of only goes down so far before you have to like really push it through. But that actually kind of sits okay. Alright, let's get back to the bench and let's talk about this thing. Let's give it a review and wrap it up. Alright guys, here's the breakdown, right? So I kind of sucked, didn't read the instructions very good, but anyways, we got it figured out. It's pretty, if you didn't read the instructions, you could probably figure it out pretty easy. So that's kind of what I like to do, because I'm not the very best at reading instructions, because I just don't like to. I like to see if I can figure it out myself, and it usually comes out okay. So in that case, I would say if you actually did read the instructions and you took your time to put it in, it'd probably take you 10-15 minutes at the most, maybe 5-10 minutes to make some adjustments, figure out where you want it. In my case, you know, where I put it, it kind of actually is pretty cool because I can touch it, you know, like I can have my hand on the steering wheel and actually touch it. So it's kind of cool. So I think it's going to work out. After I did some adjusting, wasn't quite sure how the phone went in, but after I took a look at it, I figured it out. And yeah, so it actually seems like it's going to hold that phone pretty well. So if I have to, I might squeeze them in a little bit, but you know, tapping on it, it didn't look like the phone was going to fall out or anything. Like I said, I'm going to take it out, I'm going to review it, we'll do some rock crawling with it, we will do some driving. I'll probably do a driving video to work back, just to see how it holds up. Here in probably in about 2 weeks, I'll do another video on this, a review. So next week we'll find something else cool to talk about, but the week after we'll do a follow-up. So ProClip USA, thanks for sending this to me, ProClip USA. And like I said, it's after I kind of got it all together, it's kind of cool. This company, like I said, it looks like good stuff. It feels like it's quality. It doesn't really look like it moves around, like, you know, just tapping on it. I mean, everything kind of holds solid. So all I can say is let's go test it further and see what we can figure out. So thanks for the shirt, thanks for the card, thanks for the stickers. I'm not a big sticker guy, but maybe I'll put one on my Jeep just for you guys. So that's it, guys. Comments, questions, leave them down below. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. All right, guys, you take care. Talk to you later.